I ran out of my carbs today because I decided to have like an ice cream sandwich, which was insane. It was one ice cream sandwich that was 240 calories and it was 39 grams of carbs. So we're not doing carbs for dinner tonight. I'm just doing a little bit of ground chicken. Guys, look what came in the mail. The Action Measure came in. This was that device I was talking about to measure body fat. Alright, I just got back from the gym and it was a really interesting experience. I did a pretty hardcore cardio session today to like really start off this prep. I wanted to do like a good cardio session because I know that I'm gonna have to increase my cardio as I go on, and so I thought, why not start hard? And I almost threw up today, so definitely gonna pace myself in the future and build up to it. But I didn't get to finish my ab routine because it's mug rib time right now, so we're just gonna pray and then afterwards we will finish our ab routine. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. My coworkers are having a barbecue tomorrow and my hand is cramping. My coworkers are having a barbecue tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to be eating the food that they're going to be cooking, not because I don't want to enjoy a barbecue, but because I have goals and I need to meal prep as much as I can and eat healthy and to my macros as much as I can. And I don't think I'm going to have a cheat meal for the next 2 weeks, not because I don't deserve a cheat meal, because I don't think it's unhealthy to have a cheat meal, but I want to get into the mindset of kind of like getting used to the idea of eating meal prep or meal prepped foods consistently, if that makes sense. But yeah. Good morning, guys. Happy 4th of July. I'm actually going to a coworker's house right now because we're all going to be celebrating together. And I told myself that I was going to meal prep last night to take to his house, but then I was like, I just don't want to make him feel uncomfortable, me eating my own food when he clearly set up food for us. And also, I just feel like if I do try to stick to my macros when it comes to the food that he's preparing and really pick and choose like the healthier options that he has there, I think I'm gonna be okay. I don't think I'm gonna be too off my goals. This might change, like this kind of mentality of like, you know, trying to pick and choose what might be healthy is definitely gonna change further along in the prep, but because I'm starting out, this is my first week, I think I'm gonna be okay. But yeah, I am super excited for today. Just did my makeup. This is the makeup look I do like all the time, but yeah. My makeup looks so dramatic today, and it doesn't, I swear to you, it doesn't look this dramatic in real life. Like, I could never do makeup that doesn't look dramatic. I don't know. I'm really trying to perfect like the perfect nude look. This is not it.
0 and then like 1. Yeah.
Man,
let's go. Today is my cousin's birthday and I'm just meal prepping for today because I learned from the barbecue for 4th of July that I cannot be tempted. So just meal prepping for the morning. Probably gonna eat this later. Alright, so went to the gym today, had a little bit of an upper body and lower body workout today. I did not eat enough before I went to the gym, So in the middle I felt super light, faint. And so the rest of the workout will be finished tonight after dinner. Also, it's mug group time. I really gotta learn to time things better. I need to time my prayers better.